designs, new innovations done by you, so that they will prefer you for working. Fifth is digital marketing, the new normal. Now we can't meet customers one to one, so we have to uh, sorry accept digital marketing to find our customers. Next, time for marketing. It's in this lockdown we can start our marketing by using many platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and many more. Next,
Next.
next, next slide. Here you can see a sectoral view of up and down. Here we have mentioned some industries which went down in this lockdown, and some which went up in this lockdown. So, like salons, jewelers, restaurants, hospitality, malls, airlines and travels, tourism, automobile, organized retail, sports. These are the industries which had lost in this lockdown, and there are some industries like healthcare, medicines like Patanjali, online coaching, insurance companies, affiliate marketing companies, gaming companies. These are some companies which had much more profit than the regular days. So now we can have these industries to focus to find our clients. So we can find our clients from this those industries. Next, exploring. Next, okay, sir. Next slide.
Going, just a second.
Exploring new clients. Now we have to focus on different sectors also, like government sectors, uh, consulting approach with the target audience, CSR initiative of corporate, healthcare, art, and craft product for interiors. So we have those options also for earning lots of money, or having new clients from these industries. So we have to focus on these uh, clients also. Over to Junit sir.
Vinay sir, can you unmute yourself?
Good afternoon, everyone. Here now in this after this lockdown, how we have to garner the customers, how do we get the customers? This is I'm clear and audible. Okay,
Sir, little trouble on the audio
is
side.
it okay?
Put off your mobile or laptop, one of them, because the sound is echoing. You have to
Getting echo, sir.
logged in from two devices. You're logged down from two
Now,
devices, I guess.
is it okay?
And now it's better.
Is
Yeah.
it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now here the slide says it is a collaborative approach. A collaborative approach here we mean that we have to now start collaborating with the industry people of our own industry. For example, our forte is into civil contracting. So we could approach another person who is not good at that, or maybe he is outsourcing that thing. So we could approach him that we can now collaborate this project. So this is how this will be a new market post COVID to survive or to gain profits for our company. And then this will be also kind of a help to each other in this pandemic. Like this will be in a broader way. If you look at this, like tying up with the industry, tying up with our own industry people, which we were not doing before. Like me as a turnkey project contractor, I used to outsource everything from everyone at a good rate. But now in this post-COVID scenario, we will have to kind of look at the collaborative aspect. That's what we mean about it. Cost-effective designs. When we say cost-effective designs, here we mean that we'll have to kind of effectively work on our budget, where we can give the same of what we are saving, we can offer this to the client, like cost effective. It will be the more we can save, a part of it can be shared with the client, so client is happy. Now, how will that be happening? This will be happening through this latest mode of communications that we have at the moment, like WhatsApp, video call, Zoom, Google Meet, and then everything. Trying to make everything online, the presentations online, instead of meeting the clients every now and then. For example, small things, we were just kind of ठीक है, कुछ एक छोटी सी बात भी है, कुछ करना है, तो we were first thinking कि चलो हम लोग client से जाके मिल लेते. But now post COVID everything has changed. So for that cost effectiveness to come into the effect, we'll have to use this new digital marketing tools which are available. Online consultation, for example, now this Zoom meeting that we are having itself is a very big example that we can now talk one to one to our clients. So this also comes into the effect of the cost building or cost effective, that हमारा पैसा कहाँ पे बच रहा है. This is what we are looking at, what exactly mean by cost effective solutions or cost effective designs. थोड़ा और हम लोग की डिजाइन अच्छी करके kind of, और थोड़ा हमारा भी कुछ करके kind of try to make it cost effective as much as possible, so that the whole package becomes very attractive to the client and he signs up soon. Home improvement loan is like a new scenario, is coming up into the market now, where we can tell the client that if you don't have that kind of budget, we can approach banks, or soon banks will start approaching us, as this has come up as a new market for them also, to offer loans to the people who are looking for doing the interior designing. In that, we could also offer to the client that all the paperwork that is there, running around the paperwork, we will be doing from our side. So this can be an added USP to our business, like unique selling point to our business, that these people, apart from doing interiors, they will also be helping us in documentation. So that's what we look at when we say that home improvement loan is all about. Secondly, we can also give them offer. We can offer some bank. Here it is being said that we can offer commissions to the people who are being kind of sanctioning the loan. थोड़ा बहुत paper में आगे पीछे हो गया, तो we'll have to, in the sense that what we are trying to here say is that try to be as much as responsive in terms of client. Before we were having a kind of attitude, ठीक है client का budget नहीं करा रहा है, ठीक है ये client ने दूसरा आ जाएगा. But now post COVID the scenario is changing. We have to walk, or we'll have to be with the client hand in glove. अगर उसको कहीं भी तकलीफ आती है, दिक्कत आती है, तो sir we are there. Of course the attitude पहले भी था हमारा, but then it was a leveraging attitude, ठीक है देखेंगे, but then now things are changing. We'll have to really pull up our socks to kind of get the business. So that's what we mean about this home improvement loan also. Freebies, as the word goes, the term goes, freebies like offering freebies to the client of whatever aspects they have access to design. For example, if they are doing a whole one bedroom hall kitchen, maybe we could offer them something as freebies, which is allowing us to do that in our budget. This will definitely kill our margins. But then what happens is that this will be killing our margins in our profits. We are not getting lost. So maybe just to lure the customer, or to be with the customer, or to get that business, we have to start offering freebies. Now is the time that people will start asking also, and then we will have to kind of look at that scenario. Associative programs, I'll be covering in my next slide, where I'll be seeing a lot of things on this associative, that how do we associate, and then we do this. There's a lot of things. Packages, when we say that packages could be a package where I think we can move on to the next slide now. Oh, instead of packages, now there's come as a payment schedule. This is the second slide, right, Mr. Yogesh? Yogesh ji? Yogesh ji?
Can you go back? Yogesh ji, can you go back? Can you go back one slide back?
Yeah, please go back. Okay, the packages here, just a sec. I'll just cover packages, what packages to be said over here, just a sec. Packages, like we will try to give some kind of a package wherein a standard package is defined by that. If you go for a one-room hall kitchen interior designing, we will be offering you this much. And apart from that, what you like box price. That, sir, this is a standard things that we are offering you in one-bedroom hall kitchen, which we feel by our experience that if you get this done, your one-bedroom hall kitchen will look decent. And this is what we are offering. Apart from this, whatever you would like to go for will be kind of an additional cost or an extra cost. This is what we look at when we say packages. Over to the next slide, please. Now here, payment schedule before our payment, before this COVID, we had a different kind of payment schedule. We were working with client अच्छा है, तो we were not even asking for ठीक है काम शुरू कर दिया बाद में advance आ गया. It was a kind of a scenario. But now anything can happen anytime. So what we'll have to do is like as per the slide is going order confirmation पे हम लोग 10% ले लेते हैं. And then after when we share the cost and estimates, we take another 40%, and subsequently keep on taking 15%, so that our cost is well inside of the job that we are doing. It should not that काम हम लोग ज़्यादा का कर दें and the payment client से कम आया है. So that is again very risky in this period, at this point of time where every penny is counted, every money is counted, every minute is counted, where everything is like kind of commercialized. So we have to be very careful. Of course, थोड़ा बहुत काम हो गया तो it's okay. We cannot get onto a client side कि नहीं अभी के अभी पैसा दो तो ही मैं काम करूँगा. It's a different way of approaching the client. कि सर मैंने इतना काम कर दिया है. Now it's like advisable that you make the payments because we have to make the payments to the. Now it all depends on our personal rapport with the client, the how the client, which background the client comes from, so everything has to be put up on that when we say payment schedule. So this is how the payment schedule works post scenario, post COVID, that we have to take care of everything. That see all the basically what we are trying to here say is that we should not be in a position where हम लोग को किधर कुछ loss हो जाता है. That's what we look at. That's what this whole slide means. Over to the next slide, please. Now here when we said that sample projects and residential properties, then we were saying that we can give up packages. So like this will be a standard packages that we offer for a 1 BHK as the slide says, the 2 BHK and the 3 BHK. What all we are offering. Like for example, as it is written here, the 1 TV unit, shoe rack, a modular kitchen. Modular kitchen again is a big thing if you look at. It starts from a very big range to a very small range. So again, it has to mention here that is a standard modular kitchen, a wardrobe, false ceiling, a very minimum false ceiling. False ceiling is again has a lot of designs, so it is going to be very minimalist design where we are offering to the client. LED lights, of course, LED lights are now a part of the interior designing where we offer. And paintings will be again different classes of painting. So then we have to be very clear of what it is. It is very briefly written, but then when we talk to the client, we have to be very brief that what we are actually offering them. Same goes for this 2 BHK and 3 BHK as it is sample and the sample project is here. But we where we shown that 600 square feet calculation is there, and actual cost of course depends on the actual measurements. So this completes topic on this, and then coming to this budget. Now this budget that is shown here is only civil work. Of course, a lot of things are have been moved out of it. Not been taken into the consideration. This is just from the civil point of view that if you only look at civil things to be done, civil and POP and painting and new light fixtures and kind of stuff. So this is like the budget for 2-bedroom hall kitchen, a very minimum budget for a 2-bedroom hall kitchen. That's just about 2,23,000. Again, is very less. But then we have taken into the consideration very low cost budget. Of course, then the quality is not to be compromised in that. Quality has to be taken care. Of course, if the quality is going down, then make sure that you increase the budget a bit and then make your client explain that, sir, agar hum zyada aur niche jate hain, to it will be a disaster for you in the future. So might as well वो महंगा रोए एक बार और सस्ता रोए बार वाला हम एटीट्यूड नहीं करना है. हम एक ही बार थोड़ा खर्चा करेंगे थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा, but then make sure that you get the every penny out of what you're spending, you should get a worth out of it. नहीं कि थोड़े टाइम के बाद में हम आपको फोन करो और फिर वो काम नहीं चले. So this was all about it. Now we come to the very crucial thing of this is like reaching out to the customers. Here it is that we have to be a personal touch, conventional methods. Personal touch, I'll explain you in the next slide that what will the personal touch. Of course, has a lot of things to say on that. Conventional methods, like for example, conventional means हमको पुरानी marketing strategy भी अपनानी पड़ेगी और digital marketing भी हमको करना पड़ेगा. This is what these 3 slides is as the topic of this slide. Over to the next slide, please. Okay, here back. Yeah, now how the most crucial part of this presentation comes like post-COVID scenario. What will be the targeting customers? किसको हम जाके मिलेंगे so that we get a business. Now the first could be property consultants, real estate agents. एवरी इंटीरियर डिजाइनर का कोई एक फ्रेंड या 4-5 फ्रेंड तो है ही जो प्रॉपर्टी में है या एस्टेट्स में. So try to speak to them. We never spoke to them. I don't know how many of you spoke to them earlier, but now even if you have spoken to them earlier, now it will be like bang on their head. सर पे जाके बैठो, बताओ कि since you are a part of making that buyer buy the property with your own pros and cons के सर आप ये property ले रहे हो तो आपका ये फायदा है. The same way you also approach for us to them that if you are looking for a very trustworthy, honest person to do the interior designing for you, who will give you a good value for money, this is the person. Mr. X is the person. So I mean, you could approach to them. Now again, here it will be not so easy. When a property consultant is making a deal, he gets 2% flat from the builder. That comes to around, if he does a deal of a crore, he gets 2 lakhs rupees out of it minus the TDS. We could offer him the same scenario that out of the whole box price, if the customer is taking a 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs rupees interior from us, we will pay you 2%. So that again becomes the 20% of what he has earned already on his 1 crore deal. That is 25 lakhs me, if you offer him 50,000 rupees, a very big amount just to get this introduction part done. But then we get a business. Again, then we have to calculate that how does not affect our profit, but then it is a loss in the profit so that we can take care and then we can get business out of it, get business from them. Facility management are people who provide facilities in residential towers, big towers, where for example, a flat Bwing 1104 calls up that facility guy and tells him, my geyser is not working, or my plumber is not there, my bathroom is needing some fixing, just send somebody in. So that facility management sends a person to them. Try approaching them also. This is again a very big market, a very new market, of course, so that you can be a part of only a service where you have your forte, like you are good at plumbing. A plumber is already stationed with you, or you know that he'll come at your call. So you could tie up with that facility management person with that plumbing thing. Now here what happens is that you have a first point of contact, the customer. That facility management also helps you in letting you know कि ये flat के अंदर थोड़ा काम है, so he will try to, he knows those flat owners, the residential owners very well, so that he will help you knowing you कि भाई यहाँ पे थोड़ा interior का काम है, तो why don't you go and approach, or maybe he could tell those guys कि ठीक है हम लोगों को हमारे पास एक अच्छा interior का बंदा है, so that facility management is the first point of contact with that resident person who is definitely every day in call. हर 2 दिन पे तो नहीं, but on and off कभी भी कुछ काम हो, जैसे कि अभी लाइट ही चले गई घर से, so they call that facility management guy, हमारी लाइट चले गई है, come on fix it for us. So so he goes and sends this person. हमने हमारा आदमी भेज दिया, just on a personal rapport, or maybe you could charge him. The point is not, we are not trying to say that charges are involved or anything. We're just trying to get the business of this new area called facility management, which we have till date ignored. I don't know how many of you have even thought of going and meeting these type of guys called facility management. This is how it is. Secondly, we also say on the right hand side, if you look at builders and developers. Builders and developers also have a very good rapport, of course, with the people who buy the flat with them. They also have very good contacts. So again, we have to keep on pitching themselves. Okay, we are there into the market. Send our portfolios. Send whatever best we have done. Kind of a personal rapport, so that they also helps to get business for us. Friends and affiliates, of course, become a very integral part of our business. Friends always refer us. That ठीक है मेरा दोस्त काम करता है इंटीरियर का, तो we have to kind of telling friends all, हमको अभी friends को भी इसमें involve पड़ेगा, देख कुछ होगा तो बताना. See now, before this was not happening, before we were all standing attitude, ठीक है भाई दोस्त भी है, ठीक है, तो we were not telling him कि बता business कुछ होगा. We were all ठीक है हमारे पास business है. Post COVID things are changing, so it is not that हमको कुछ इसमें बुरा है, यार ठीक है हम काम कर रहे हैं, we are justifying ourselves, so you have to approach friends. Affiliates will be people who are attached to big organizations where there is a big offices, so you can also be in touch with affiliates. Find out the list of affiliates in your own areas within a kilometer or 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer. Find out if there are any affiliates, organization, big organizations. Maybe we could drop in there, market yourself. That's reaching out to the customers. It's like reaching out. हम reach करें customers को कि भाई ठीक है सर हम लोग ये करते हैं. Maybe you could just put your profile there. हम हमारा एक portfolio छोड़ दे वहाँ पे जाके, या एक printed brochure जाके वहाँ छोड़ दे कि सर हम लोग करते हैं. So this is how it works in terms of friends and affiliates. Now, the next thing that I'm coming up with is, I don't know how many of you are aware of this PNI thing. PNI thing is again very powerful thing, is business networking. I don't know what is I stands for. Anybody knows, it's okay. PNI is, a lot of you might be aware of. PNI is like, PNI charges
Sir,
45 or
no brand, sir,
34,000
no brand,
upfront.
no brand. Dinesh bhai, no
Okay,
brand.
okay, sorry. Okay. So this marketing company is now charging some X amount, and then these guys also charge on every meet some 1,000 rupees per week. So that adds up to 52 times you meet in a week. So you end up paying 1,000 rupees there also, and 45,000 there. So that's kind of shelling out big money at this point of time. Of course, those who are capable can definitely go for this type of marketing, but then be aware. Try to kind of attend this type of meetings only as a non-member, because they also have a facility of inviting guests as a guest member. So try to work out there. Maybe you could find something better, and then something works out, it's better. There are many clubs, associations, networking of course is also very a key thing for our business. Everybody knows that. And now this thing also reminds me that whenever you are going out for a client meeting at a very good tower or in a commercial center, here we have a very big commercial center called commercial hub called BKC, where we have long these big towers of 25, 23 stories and all. So might as well keep some business cards in your pocket, and also a small brief of what you could best describe yourself in 30 seconds, that what you are all about after handing over the card. Now this kind of scenario will come in when you enter an elevator, when you are going down from the 25th floor, and you see a person suited booted entering, and then he just smiles at you. At that first glance, when he smiles at you, maybe if he is ready to accept from his body language of what you are trying to offer him, you could offer him your visiting card, that sir, we are into this, and explain yourself 30 seconds, because the elevator will by then leave on be touching the ground after 30 or 40 seconds, and you don't take much time. So this is like a very good, of course, a lot of big organizations where you join giving a lot of money, they teach you this only. And in this networking thing, they also make you stand and say about yourself for 30 seconds to everyone. So this is what is to be said about it. And just a sec, I just slide. Just a sec. Back. Yogesh, just be a bit back, because I'm getting this disclaimer. Yeah. Newspapers. Now, newspapers were very primitive way of we putting these things into about our flyers. Now, just 2 days back, I have decided and I have started receiving Times of India. Times, of course, the booklet is very thin, so we have to again maybe go to that back primitive old way of advertising ourselves, because after mobiles, which are now in our hands, the second best alternative is this print media. Like this is the paper, and in paper where we have that a small leaflet of us. So people are now getting time, they are all under a lockdown, so they keep on turning the paper pages up and down, and they get to read the time to they get a time to read our flyer. So maybe they call us. So this could be one of the aspects where you think that you could newspapers may also, you can advertise yourself. Exhibitions, of course, a lot of people participate in very big exhibitions. I am not telling you to go for that big exhibitions where we have to pay a lakh of rupees. A small FMCG kind of fast moving consumer good items, which will attract a lot of people, which will have a lot of footfall. Maybe try to put a small stall over there at a cost of around 15-20,000 rupees, I think, which is terrible. Be ready with your presentations, your flyers, a small laptop where you could be having a slide running behind, uh, the slide running on the laptop, which gives the fair idea to the people or the passers-by whom you compel to come down to your stall and they feel start. I mean, they start talking to you. You employ a good-looking, decent hostages on your stall, so that and of course, lot of hostages at time are not able to explain. So maybe give them a very good product knowledge also. You stand there, so that's kind of an exhibition also. Very big exhibitions we used to take part. All small exhibitions we always have ignored. So post COVID scenario, this could be also one of the things that we have to take care of. Now, of course, my presentation doesn't end here. I need some more time to be talking here. The next big thing that we have to look out here is that digital marketing. Digital marketing is like things which people have already. It's like kind of a bus that is everybody has missed. Of all those who have not taken the advantage of digital marketing. Digital marketing is a very powerful tool in today's scenario. Of course, it is not costing a bomb today. A normal digital company will take around 50 or 15 or 25,000 rupees to work for you, to make banners for you, promote your page, to do some landing pages, and so on and so on and so forth. So don't ignore that, because if you're not with the time, you are out of the market. For example, very big brand, uh, very big brand was there in the market where everybody was having their phones in their pocket. Now they're actually out of the market. They don't have any Android phones. So if you don't be with the time, time will throw you out. So the digital marketing continues to evolve. Strategies that are effective yesterday, maybe they are not beneficial today, but in this fast changing online environment, it is important for we to learn the right techniques to succeed. This is how it is. For example, there are a lot of examples where people were not with time and they've been thrown out because they did not try to be with time. And of course, if a company is not having a digital marketing strategy, invest in that. It is time. It is time to get one now. It's a very solid strategy. People do approach us. Digital marketings are working. We have seen people making a lot of money when they have where they have gone for this kind of digital marketing. Be whatever it is. Small. Put something there. Put some amount of money where you definitely get this business out of. Now, in the earlier slide, when we were just Yogesh, if you would just go back into that slide, just one slide back. I'm just taking you back to the slide for you to make you understand conventional methods also. Now, conventional methods and personal touch. Yeah, personal touch in the sense, what I mean to say here is that our past clients whom we have already serviced, if you remember their birthdays, maybe send a small cake to them. It's a token of remembrance. That's what we have done for you. Kind of this gives a personal touch. If you know that if there is a this if their anniversaries are fast approaching, so you approach them, send a small birthday cake, 25, 250, 500 cake and a bouquet. Doesn't cost much, 500 to 600 rupees. So they get reminded about you. So they start talking. At least this is like a mouth of mouth publicity. अरे वो इंटीरियर वाला याद है 4-5 साल पहले काम करवाया था यार, वो बंदे ने तो एनिवर्सरी का कार्ड भेज दिया, केक भेज दिया. Kind of a new thing. And our interior business teaches us to be new and innovative. We all know that. So this is all conventional methods. We have to go back. Post COVID has taught us a lot of things that we have to again, kind of go back, because everybody is now down to their knees. All the people who had that kind of sustaining power are slowly and gradually kind of sustaining. Of course, a lot of people. May God bless all those who are still sustaining. So this is conventional methods or a personal touch that we were looking at. And then uh, now coming to this, everything what I have told just now, for us this is like a marketing. Marketing is like, I don't know how many of you know that what is the difference between a marketing manager and a sales manager. Marketing manager is a person who goes and creates market for that particular product, and a sales manager goes and sells the product which is established already into the market. For example, one of the marketing manager was sent to a particular country. One of the one of the sales marketing manager was sent to a particular country to market chappals. He came back, or he communicated to a particular company that, sir, here nobody will buy chappals because everybody is wearing sandals and shoes. There is absolutely no market for chappals. I don't know, many of you must have heard this example. After some time, company sends another marketing executive or marketing manager to the same place. He tells, or he calls the company from there and says, this is a very big market. Nobody wears chappals here. If we introduce chappals will be a big sale. Now, here I am trying to differentiate the vision. Vision in the sense that you have to think out of the box. Time has come where people have to start thinking out of the box. There is a lot of negativity outside. When you're sitting in your room and you hear a lot of negativity from outside, you will start feeling negative yourself. So you have to be very, very careful. Don't let that negativity build in you. If you get built into that negativity, the problem is that you get driven with that negativity, and you will lose all your encouragement or whatever it is to do business. So please, I would request that everybody to be very positive. Everybody to be very positive in this post-COVID. Lot of people are in depression. Don't be under depression at all. Remember, guys, this is just a bend and not the end of the road. Please make sure. And dar, constant fear is always there in everybody's minds. कल क्या होगा? पोस्ट कोविड के बाद जब हम घर से बाहर निकलेंगे तो क्या होगा? पोस्ट कोविड के बाद जब हम घर से बाहर निकलेंगे, when we are out of our house, just imagine that everybody is getting into the race. सब लोग विनिंग स्टार्टिंग पोस्ट जाके खड़े हुए हैं. Everybody has stood there and it's like on your mark, get set, go, and everybody starts running. While running, you have to be take care that हमको बाजू वाले को भी नहीं देखना है जो हमसे ज्यादा तंदुरुस्त है और वो पीछे रह गया है कि वो रेस हार गया है, और हमसे ज्यादा कमजोर आदमी को भी नहीं देखना है कि भाई वो हमसे कमजोर है लेकिन वो रेस जीत रहा है, क्योंकि दोनों तरफ हमको नेगेटिविटी दिख रही है. पॉजिटिविटी सिर्फ हमको हमारे में ही दिखेगी जब वी ओनली लुक एट द बुल्स आई, दैट हमको वो बुल्स आई को हिट करना है. लाइक अर्जुन, I don't know if it's the correct example to say this. You have to hit the bullseye. You have to reach to your winning post on your own. बाजू वाले को देखेंगे, इसको देखेंगे तो बहुत सारी नेगेटिव फिर से आ जाएगी. Don't allow that negativity to come into your minds कि कल क्या होगा. बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. Everything is fine. Happiness and sadness is the state of your mind. For example, if you're sitting in your office and thinking क्या मेरे पास अभी सिर्फ 1 महीने का खर्चा है, मेरा स्टाफ को देने के लिए पगार है, अभी 1 महीने के बाद का पैसा मेरे पास नहीं है. एंड जस्ट इमेजिन अ क्लाइंट कॉलिंग यू ऑन योर सेल फोन दैट सर आपने 3 BHK का जो इंटीरियर का हमारे को कोड किया था उसके लिए आप कल से काम चालू कर सकते हो. सो यू आर हैप्पी. So just imagine 5 minutes before you were sad and after 5 minutes you are happy. So this is the state of your mind. Of course, a contract that you're getting is adding to your happiness, but then happiness and sadness is again a state of mind. हम खुश है तो खुश है, हम नाराज है तो हम दुखी है तो दुखी है. But here in this scenario, we are always happy. खुशी है हम. Or last but not the least, I think my presentation will now soon be ending in about 5 minutes for now. डर एक बच्चे की तरह है. You know, it's like एक छोटा बच्चा हमारा 3-4 साल का है तो हमको घड़ी घड़ी नैगिंग करता रहेगा. कांस्टेंट नैगिंग रहेंगी उसके तरफ से कि डैडी डैडी ये करो. until unless we listen to him, वो बच्चा चुप नहीं बैठने वाला है. he will not keep quiet. तो इस तरह से हमको क्या करना है, डर का सामना कर लेना है. अगर हमारे पीछे डर है तो उससे सामने सामने मीटिंग कर लेनी है. हाँ क्या है भाई, डर किस चीज का है, हमको अपने आप को ही पूछना है. व्हाट आर वी फियरिंग अबाउट इट, कल क्या होने वाला है, फॉरगेट इट, आई नो व्हाट्स गोइंग टू बी हैपनिंग, बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. यू हैव टू टेक दैट पॉजिटिविटी. तो ये सब जब तक हम लोग नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि हम लोग को फिर से एज आई सेड वी हैव टू बी नाउ मार्केटिंग अ प्रोडक्ट, मार्केटिंग अ सेल्स. और जब हमको बाहर निकलना है अपने आप को या अपने प्रोडक्ट को बेचने के लिए, तो हमारे में बहुत सारी पॉजिटिविटी होनी चाहिए. अगर वो नहीं होगी और नेगेटिव रहेंगे, अरे छोड़ो यार वहां जाएंगे क्या होगा, काम नहीं होगा यार, जाना है. नो, जाओ, बी पॉजिटिव. That's what it is, and that's what all about, this targeting new customer and then all about positivity. Over to the Q&A. Over to Q&A. If anybody wants to have the Q&A, please can start. I have ended my presentation, Mr. Yogesh. Thank you. Thanks everyone for listening patiently.
Okay, just would like to add, thanks a lot, Junaid bhai. Last minute he had to take up also Simij's part, which was bigger part. He just took it on the last because she is just had to go for an emergency. So it was very good Junaid bhai. And my take from this presentation was महंगा रोए एक बार and सस्ता रोए बार बार. It was very nice.
And wow, what an insight it was. It was a great insight. So guys, we are now open to take in the question answer round. If anybody has any questions, they can take up the question and the panelists here to answer it.
I have a question.
Yeah, Feroji,
Yes, sir.
go ahead.
Uh, are we is there anyone who can tell who can suggest something about the marketing strategies from now on?
Which marketing strategies for?
Marketing strategies for our own product. What we have told you,
Yes.
that we have already covered. Like digital marketing is there,
Oh,
newspapers is there.
actually, I missed a small part of that.
Yeah.
Marketing in the beginning.
Marketing in the beginning is that we also said I mean it was all about that we have to go for a digital marketing. We have for a digital
Yeah.
marketing, we need property consultants, builders and developments, facility management guys, friends and affiliates, clubs. Try doing networking. Try going for exhibitions. Try old primitive way of doing newspapers, online digital marketing, and that's all about it. So this is the new marketing strategies that we have to approach. And of course, I think this presentation gets live in 2 days, right, Mr. Yogesh, if I'm not
Yeah,
mistaken?
yeah. Within 1 week, we'll be going live again. So all this content will be available on the YouTube, and you can watch it there.
And
Obviously,
apart
it will
from
be
that,
edited version.
if anybody has any questions regarding this, they can send me personally on my personal chat or on the group chat. I'll be most happy to answer for the presentation that I have conducted here. I'll be most happy to answer any questions that comes up from here.
It was really
Thank you
amazing
very much.
presentation, Junaid.
Yeah,
Thank
Binodji.
you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Binod, do you have any query?
No, it's great depending upon the marketing strategies which Junaid ji was discussing. Adding to that, we all should focus more on the 3D visualizations, which is the need of hour, because rather than getting into all that hassle, 3D visualization can give a more better aspect and view of any project, which we guys are lacking, because we currently take it as a demand and supply thing, but now it should be mandate in every of our interior design project that the client should get the 3D design done beforehand.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
Yes.
I
There's a
have a
question.
question for
There's a
Mr.
question
Lalit.
by Mr. Lalit ji.
Yeah, it's about that foreign PMC. Now,
Can
what is
Lalit ji?
foreign
Can
PMC?
Lalit ji take a question?
Please,
Lalit ji, you want
Lalit
to
जी,
take a
क्या
question, sir?
क्या पूछना चाह रहे हैं सर आप?
Hello.
Yeah,
हाँ,
Lalit
बोलिए
ji.
ललित जी.
Yeah, myself Lalit. I would like to put on this question like, I mean, most of the foreign customers from NRIs, like NRIs were going to invest a lot more in coming days as per my analysis and
Right.
point. So if they were going to come into the Indian market,
Uh-huh.
they definitely go for a reputed and bigger consultancies like JL Ellis
Right.
and some other reputed
Right.
consultancies.
Right.
How we're going to address that problem and how we can get such works.
So, the best thing that you could tell them is that if you go to a very big and reputed organization, you won't be getting a personal touch. Wherein, as an individual interior designing company, whenever he calls a very big interior designing company, there will be some customer agent talking to him. Here, you could tell him that, sir, we'll give you a personal approach, personal touch. I am always available anytime you call me. Even if you call me from outside, also, I'll be there to assist you and show you all the difficulties that you are facing. And then you have to again be very powerful in your presentation, or you should be presenting your own USPs, that unique selling points, that yes, we are the best out of everyone. And maybe out of your experience, that you will have to kind of prepare certain points that you tell them that yes, we can do the best for you. This is one of the best things I think that you can overcome, because ultimately it's like do and die situation for you. You're already competing with a company, a very big company. So at some point of time, you have to crack that deal and get into yourself. So you have to put your best foot forward, whatever it takes. कुछ भी हो जाए, be in an attitude कि नहीं, वो company को हमको हरा के आगे जाना है, and that's how you win. That attitude should be there, that हम ये contract आज लेके आएंगे. So that happens. If
Lalit
that
ji,
happens, हो गया.
surely, sir, I would agree with you, but there is a point to be noted. I mean,
Yes, please.
we are not going to deal with the decision maker while dealing with such companies. Like, if at all we are dealing with a client, if a software company was going to be established in India, they were
Right.
planning for establishment in India. They were not the owner is not straight away going to deal with the client or our architects. He is not going to be the decision maker. So it's a typical issue that which to be addressed, and how we are going to deal with it is a major challenge for it. Like
Lalit ji, there are two aspects to this. See, big companies, what you're talking about, the foreign PMCs, don't have a larger presence in India in terms of offices or the staff, they mostly sublet the work to smaller agencies, right? उतना इतना reach नहीं होता है. They are connected well with the clients abroad, but they don't have a global. People like many companies, I don't want to take the names, they are growing up in India, but they still do work by collaborating. So that is where collaboration, what we spoke of, is going to come into play. If you are an MEP contractor, if you are a design agency, you can tie up with an architect, with a structural designer of repute, and 3-4 people can collaborate and make a consortium which can compete with big companies. Because no way you are going to able to match the experience and the portfolio of projects what the big PMCs have already done. वो
Yes.
करना बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत time लगेगा, और it is not very easy. So the only way is to collaborate.
Yes.
4-5
Right.
people can collaborate and match that, and also you'll be definitely be competitive in price, because foreign companies have got a lot of overhead and their prices are very not very competitive. You know, you can compete with them on price, and jo raha experience ka, you can collaborate and put that experience together. So these
Great.
two things you can use.
Great thing. Anybody else want to ask anything, sir? Rohit ji, any
Sir,
question you have today?
I don't have any
Parvez bhai.
question, but I want to say जो मुझे ये बात समझ में आई जुनैद भाई की कि डर के आगे जीत है, और जो भी बात ये होती है कि जो पर्सनल टच होता है बिजनेस के लिए, जब तक आप पर्सनल टच अगर इम्प्रूव नहीं करेंगे तब तक आपका बिजनेस का ग्रोथ नहीं हो सकता है. तो वो पर्सनल टच बनाएं और आगे बढ़ें. और ये कोरोना है या जो भी चीज हो रही है कोविड के बाद भी, अगर आपको बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे तो शायद बिजनेस भी थोड़ी देर के बाद आएगी. सो मेरे लिए तो जो भी चीज है, जो इन्होंने पॉजिटिविटी की बात की है, आई लव इट. थैंक यू.
Great. Anybody else want to say something?
Today we have 51 participants.
Yeah, that's a great. We are improving every day. And
Thank you, sir.
Srinidhi ji, you want to ask something? No. Anmol ji, you want to ask something? We cannot hear you. We cannot hear you. Rohit ji, any question? Rohit ji, any question?
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very much. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it was a wonderful presentation. I think Jade's experience and Amit's experience is enough to make us understand that all the marketing strategies there are basically. So there's no question as such. But I just wanted to ask some basic reference points to look at for young freelancers.
Right.
You know, from where they can begin. So can you just elaborate or share your a timeline process of your initial phases in life? How did you market it, and now what you're doing basically? Just wanted to understand the timeline phase of it.
The timeline phase, we cannot actually define timeline phase, but then because there was a lot of initial struggling, and then it took a lot of time. Don't really remember how much the time, but at least about 6 to 8 months or 9 months we were literally struggling. Then फिर एक छोटा सा काम मिला, and then फिर एक किचन किया हमने, एक एयरलाइंस वाली का, एयर होस्टेस का, फिर हमने और थोड़ा बड़ा काम कर लिया, फिर एक ऑफिस का एक कुछ काम कर लिया. So we can't act, but then struggle is there, and we don't know which hammer will hit hard. कौन सा काम और कौन सा.
Can I reply to this question?
Yeah, yes, sir, please.
Rohit ji, I believe in this thing. See, all the techniques or tools which we are having has its own limitation and permutation. For example, when we use any kind of marketing tool like social media networking or any kind of other newspaper ad, it will create a lead. That lead need to be converted into a reference. To do that, the best thing is that if you can connect your lead to any of your old client or your old associate. So if a lead is connected to an old referral, like for example, if any of you got a client phone call, and if you are able to connect him to the testimonial of your old client, or you are able to connect directly to a client, it gives a little positivity. So your first step is your effort should be to create the lead. Now the second effort starts off that lead needs to be converted to the referral in terms of by connecting that by using any kind of um, as I said, testimonial or direct client reference. Then third thing, once that referral is a little more positive referral, then if you can make some kind of client visit by using these three tools, you need to step out your how you plan your whole marketing strategy. If not, what will happen? For example, you put up an exhibition, it will not convert into proper business unless and until you follow a proper strategy. That if you get a lot of numbers from there, those are leads. Then those are cold leads. For that lead, you need to have some kind of emailing system, mailers. You put out a mailing thing, and you got a lead. Then that lead it converted in terms of sending them a Facebook page or your own online link where you have galleries of pictures and images. So all the tools need to work together in this scenario to convert that.
Right.
Also, it's like you have to follow a strategy that yesterday is over. It was not ours. कल गया खत्म हो गया. Tomorrow is ours. कल हमारा है. We will do it. We will make it. That kind of strategy and attitude if you have, and that will also, ultimately it boils down to how much positive you are, because at times strugglers also kind of face a negativity कि यार जा रहे कुछ हो नहीं रहा, आज ही जाते कल जाते, ऐसा तो होता ही है. So you have to be kind of, it's like a race. You run your own race. Focus on what you can control, and you win every time. That's how it is.
So my question is derived. So my question is derived from the fact that so we do a lot of knowledge-based setup. Our country has a lot of resources and knowledges, but nobody shares their storyline. I mean, there should be a part in our presentations wherein if we have an experience setup, if we have some experiences, you are meant to, so you have to have a timeline. You have to have that thing that we can share it in Club NPC. The sharing process of what is the success that I've achieved and what is the failure that I've achieved through marketing.
I'll give to this. I'll reply to this. Rohit ji, यहाँ पर 5-6 पॉइंट्स को मैं बता सकता हूँ what are good into and what are not good into. जैसे सबसे पहले ये आपने समझना है कि आपका पैरामीटर ऑफ स्केल क्या है, because every marketing strategy needed to be attached with kind of what are targeting we are having. For example, अभी जुनैद भाई ने जितने भी तरीके, ये जो आज का प्रेजेंटेशन था, इसको माइंड में रख के चलना है कि ये उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं रेजिडेंशियल और उस तरह के क्लाइंट्स की ज्यादा बात करने की कोशिश करी है, where we are targeting directly to one-to-one personal client of thing, not more about the मतलब ओवरऑल सिनेरियो बात किया. तो जैसे यहाँ पर हम जब बात करते हैं टाइमलाइन की, तो सबसे इनिशियली जो सबसे इफेक्टिव प्रोसेस है वो है आपका टेस्टिमोनियल काइंड ऑफ फेसबुक पेजेस, जहां से आप बहुत कनेक्ट कर पाते हो. उसके अंदर अगर हम बहुत थोड़ा अमाउंट भी लगाएं, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपने कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस रखा, वो एक कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस है, वो नेवर एंडिंग है, वो उसका कोई शॉर्ट टाइम या लॉन्ग टाइम नहीं है, वो एंडलेस है, उसको आपको हर वक्त चालू रखना चाहिए. सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग है, उसको आपको 100% हर समय चलना है. एग्जीबिशंस है, वो बहुत बेसिक, बहुत कभी कभी इन द शॉर्ट टर्म आपको जब अपना ब्रांड वैल्यू दिखाना है, दैट यू आर अ ब्रांड वैल्यू, तब आप थोड़ा बहुत एग्जीबिशन में इन्वेस्ट करें, और वो करें ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ फेस्टिवल सीजन, जब आपको लगता है कि आपके पास इमीडिएटली कन्वर्जन ऑफ क्लाइंट्स हो सकता है. अगर हम बात करते हैं बिजनेस एग्जीबिशन की, वो वहां पे तब करना जब हमने अपने आप को लॉन्च करना है एज अ पीएमसी और एज एन लाइक something more senior than that, like where you are talking about a B2B not B2C. तब हम अपने आप को उस तरह के एग्जीबिशंस पे लेके जाते हैं. जब हम बात करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर एडवर्टाइजिंग की, न्यूज़पेपर एडवर्टाइजिंग क्या है, इट कैन बी टू डायमेंशन. अगर आप प्रॉपर ऐड देंगे तो आप बहुत लंबा रिटेन नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन अगर आप फ्लायर और लोकल टारगेट हिट करते हैं, इफ यू हैव अ टारगेट दैट आई नीड टू टारगेट दिस कॉलोनी, और वहां अपने आपने फ्लायर्स लॉन्च किया, तो जब तक वो प्रॉपर्टी लॉन्चिंग पे आती है, आप उस मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी को अपना सकते हो. तो दैट कुड बी टेकन ऑफ ऑफलाइन एंड ऑनलाइन. मतलब आपने 15 दिन कर दिया, 3 महीने छोड़ दिया, फिर 10 दिन कर दिया, फिर 3 महीने छोड़ दिया. तो देयर हाउ द फ्लायर कैन हेल्प यू आउट. तो इस तरह से ऑनलाइन 100% थ्रू आउट द टाइमलाइन, एग्जीबिशन once in a while, a flyer you can have it once in a month or twice in a month. Newspaper advertising, it needs to be initial level, and then मतलब जैसे initially frequency should be much bigger because you need to make yourself available with the presence of branding. फिर धीरे धीरे जैसे आप अगर याद करो कोई ब्रांड लॉन्च होता है तो उसका एडवर्टाइजिंग हर 5-5 मिनट में आता है, फिर धीरे धीरे, और पहला जो एडवर्टाइजिंग आती है वो 10 मिनट की आती है, फिर धीरे धीरे घटते घटते सिर्फ नाम और लोगो रहने जाता है, एंड वो हफ्ते में एक बार आए तो भी ब्रांड रिकलेक्शन हो जाता है. तो दैट इज व्हाट द स्ट्रेटजी इज ऑल अबाउट.
जोगेश जी, मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें ऐड करूं आपके इसमें से.
या सर, या सर.
दिस इज दीपक गुरुवारा. इसमें एक रिकमेंडेशन मेरा ये है, हम जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उसमें एक निश क्रिएट करें. सपोज हम सभी आर्किटेक्ट, डिजाइनर, इंटीरियर्स भी कर रहे हैं, आर्किटेक्चर भी कर रहे हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग भी कर रहे हैं. अपने आप की विजिबिलिटी इंक्रीज करने के लिए उसमें एक निश ढूंढे. सपोज इंटीरियर्स कर रहे हैं तो काम सारा करें पर निश क्रिएट करें. हम रेजिडेंशियल इंटीरियर डिजाइनर हैं, वी आर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट. तो आपकी विजिबिलिटी, आपका कस्टमर बेस रिड्यूस होगा पर निश क्रिएट होगी. और निश क्रिएट
दीपक जी, we cannot hear you. दीपक जी,
निश पे थोड़ा सा हम काम करें.
okay, great sir. So guys, it was an awesome insight I believe. And ऐसे क्या है, इस क्लब एनपीसी में जो लोग फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं उनको बताने के लिए क्लब एनपीसी नॉन ब्रांडिंग तरीके से पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ हम डेली कुछ इनसाइट की बात करते हैं और कुछ इस तरह से टॉपिक्स उठाते हैं कि हमारी नॉलेज बढ़े. हम जितनी नॉलेज को बढ़ाएंगे उतना हमारे लिए हेल्पफुल होता है. एंड वी आर हैविंग अनदर टीजर कमिंग अप. आई जस्ट वांट टू लॉन्च अ टीजर फॉर द ग्रुप व्हिच वी हैव फॉर डे आफ्टर टुमारो. Should I launch the teasers, guys?
Yes, please.
How many of us are shaking for the teasers? And sir,
Yes, sir.
wow, wow, amazing presentation it's going to be. Guys, would you like to join it? How many of you want to see this presentation? Can I have a thumbs up? Sheetal ji, are you there?
Yes, Yogesh ji, I'm here.
Would you like to introduce yourself and the topic you're talking about?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you, Yogesh, sir, for give me some time. And first of all, I want to say today's presentation was really very beneficial for all of us, and especially the last part of being positive in post-COVID situation. So I really personally liked it. And next, if I talk about my next presentation, so definitely I'm Sheetal Balwani. I'm from Team Delhi. On 27th, me and my co-presenters are coming up with next workshop. My co-presenters are Rajesh K. Sharma, Sahil Quatra, Firoz Khan, and Vineet Sharma. We are coming with our this new topic. The topic name is Quick Switch Interior Exterior Solution, and we are coming up on 27th June. So everyone, we have created a very short survey of only one question. So I just need your 1 minute so that you all can just submit your answer in this survey. Link of this survey will go viral along with the poster in all your respective groups. So please take out only 1 minute to open the link, click your answer and submit. Yep.
I did it.
You did it.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I want everyone to do that. Everyone want. I request you all to do that because we will definitely announce and discuss result of this survey in our presentation.
Great, Pam. Great. It was a nice
Mhm.
concept. And see, we all are every day understanding each other's thing. And slowly and steadily, we are growing towards becoming one of the very important organization in our industry. So, guys who have joined for the first time, we wanted to know more about you. So, just open up your mic and we will come back right now with you. Rosh Rajaji. Rosh Rajaji. Rosh Rajaji, can you unmute yourself? Ketan Jain ji, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir. How are you?
Sir, fine enough. Sir, did you like the concept and did you
It
like
was
the
very good.
presentation?
It was very good, and डर के सामने जीतना बहुत जरूरी है.
Right. So, sir, आप कहाँ से connect कर रहे हैं?
I am from Pune,
Okay. And what are you into, sir?
and I am having a tile showroom of 30,000 square feet. We are into carpets. We are
Great.
into windows manufacturing for German, Alu Plus, and Schuko.
Great, sir. Great, sir. It is one of the forum where we like you are right now in West Zone, and in West Zone you can be one of the presenters also, sir. So be very active in the West Zone, and if you want to understand anything about NPC Club NPC, you can ask now, sir.
No problem, no problem. I'll get in touch with you, sir.
So if you want to ask anybody has any question about Club NPC, they can ask right now. No problem.
I would like to give some presentation on the windows also, sir.
Sir, for that you need to connect with the moderator Amit ji. Amit ji, Ketan ji is from your sector. Ketan ji,
Okay,
Amit ji is
okay.
responsible for that. You can connect.
Amit
and
sir, how are you,
can
sir?
Fine, Ketanji. We can
I would
connect
like to
offline
give
and you
some
could.
small presentation on Windows. When I
Great.
can give you, you let me know so I can prepare everything for that.
Great, sir.
Sure,
Here
sure,
we
sure.
have a
Very
different
good. Very
system.
nice idea. Yeah.
What we do is every 15 days, one zone take up the responsibility and one zone give up a team. And that team needs to be, and we all do together every 15 days. So your next 15 days later, you will be having a presentation of your zone, sir.
No problem, sir.
Great,
Let
sir.
me know.
Puneet, we have Puneet ji, Puneet Kumar ji.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, sir. Can you identify yourself, sir? Where are you from?
This is Puneet and I am from Delhi.
Okay.
And we are into automation and audio visuals for residences.
Okay. And did you like the concept, sir?
Yeah, I love it. That's why I'm in the group now.
Great. And this is the next presentation from Team Delhi only. So your team.
Yeah.
Let's see how Team Delhi performs. Then we have somebody called Lalit ji. Lalit ji, can you unmute yourself?
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Nice meeting you, everybody. It's a very good informative presentation. I would like to associate furthermore. There is a point mentioned by one of our colleagues, Amit ji, I think. he told me that its collaboration will help us in such issues. The past question I asked as well. I mean, is Club NBC going to initiate any initiative regarding the collaboration as
Sir,
well?
a Club NPC is beyond that. We believe there is no forum right now available in India which is connecting us personally and making friends. So we believe Club NPC is helping beyond the money part. If there is no business, there no money, we can be more stronger association. So we are trying to create those kind of association where you can get and help anytime. It is one place. If you ever stuck with any problem, you can come and ask for help from a friend. So that friend is Club NPC, not the business is Club NPC. I hope I'm able to clear it out.
Sure. Thank you so much.
It is. We are slowly growing. Today we are present in around, I think, more than 50 cities, and now we are having every single day new members are joining us, and we are becoming a strong community. So it is not about a association or a business forum networking. It is more about a club. It is more like a very own Lions Club of construction. That is how I can define it, where we
Sure,
can
sir.
help each other in different ways.
I just need, I mean, like I got a small doubt as well. Why this Club NBC has been divided into East, West, and South and North zones? Is there any
Sir, there
special?
is three physical ways how we'll be connecting in future. What we are trying to say in this way, we are there virtually in WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, we meet every day. Every alternate day for information part, we meet virtually in our Zoom meet, and physically soon we'll be having a physical meet in the local community. That physically we can meet only local. So to develop that local community, we are dividing slowly the team and building up a structure. It's just a 4-month old association right now, and we are developing and improving. So right now, divided into 4 parts. Further, it will further divide into further subdivision, and slowly you cannot, like for example, if there's a meeting, you cannot come down Delhi to meet us. So virtually we'll be meeting together on the Zoom call, and physically we'll be meeting in the area where you are actually staying. That is the basic idea, to develop a strong community between everybody together.
Sure, sir. Good idea. I would like to encourage it as well. I will give my support as well. Thank you.
Great, sir. Great, sir. And we want volunteers right now, because that's what the whole idea is, that the more we participate, the more we know. Like somebody asked me, how can we promote each other? It is by, like, we don't want Lalit Ji's firm name. We want Lalit Ji's name. We want to be associated with Lalit Ji or Rajesh Ji or Ketan Ji or Srinidhi Ji more than their firms. Because we need friend, and friend is Srinidhi Ji, not his brand. I believe that is what it's all about. That's the reason we kept on saying no promotion, because with the promotion we are associated with a brand. But here we are looking for a friend. I cannot be a friend to a brand. I can be a friend to a person. I hope this problem is solved. Hello. Right. Then we have Rosh Raja Ji. Can you identify, sir? Sheikh Mohammed Ji. We have Sheikh Mohammed Ji. We have Jatin Thakkar Ji. Jatin Thakkar. Sheikh Mohammed Ji, first identify yourself, sir.
Hello. How are you? Hello, everyone.
Hello, everybody.
कोई कैसे हैं?
एकदम बढ़िया सर.
बस सर अच्छा लगा आप लोग का ये कॉन्सेप्ट अभी मैं सुना तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. जो भी डाउट्स थे सब क्लियर हो गए, है ना? तो आप लोग बताएं मेरे लिए जो भी रहेगा.
सर आप कहाँ से अभी फिलहाल बोल रहे हैं?
बेसिकली मैं रायपुर बेस्ड हूँ.
ओके.
है ना? करंटली हम लोग के 2 ऑफिस सब ऑफिसेस थे. वन वाज इन नागपुर एंड वन वाज इन भोपाल. तो अभी सब शट डाउन पे है, लेकिन अभी हमारा रायपुर का ऑफिस चल रहा है.
ग्रेट सर. सर रायपुर अभी हमारा छत्तीसगढ़ में उतना प्रोमिनेंट नहीं है, इसीलिए हम लोगों ने सेंटर को ईस्ट के साथ क्लब कर रखा है.
जी जी.
तो जब हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ पीपल बढ़ जाएंगे सेंटर के, तो विल हैव अ सेंटर जोन अलग से. तो करंटली
थिंकिंग कि अगर हमारे को वेस्ट से ज्यादा वेस्ट जोन या के साथ रखा जाए तो हमारे
हम लोग ना जोन वाइज नहीं करते सर. हम लोग ये देखते हैं कौन सा जोन वीक है अभी फिलहाल.
जी जी जी.
तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उस जोन के अंदर सपोर्ट के लिए डाल देते हैं, सो दैट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम लोग सब कोई फ्रेंड है आपस में. तो अगर आप जैसे आगे बढ़ोगे आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, वी ऑल नो ईच अदर. यहाँ पर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई बिलीव श्रीनिधि जी को एक पता होगा कि श्रीनिधि जी ने बाद में हमें ज्वाइन किया, बट हम लोग मिलने लग गए, तो वी स्टार्टेड knowing each other. That's what the whole idea is. अब वो जितनी बार वेब जोन में आते, वेबिनार में आते हैं, वो लोगों को पहचानने लगे होंगे, वो जुनैद भाई, संचिता मैम, राशिद भाई, परवेज भाई, हसन जी. So we are connecting slowly with everybody.
जी जी, definitely sir.
Yeah sir. Now we have somebody called Mohammad Iqbal. Can you identify sir?
हेलो.
Yeah sir.
यस सर, आप सुन पा रहे हैं?
Yeah sir, सुन रहा हूँ.
यस सर, वी आर इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स बेस्ड इन लखनऊ. तो आपकी जो प्रेजेंटेशन आज दी है बहुत ही अच्छी लगी, बहुत ही वैल्यूएबल थी, काफी कुछ चीज उसमें सीखने को मिली.
तो आप सर यूपी जोन से बिलोंग करते हैं? यूपी
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Great
जी
sir.
जी.
Sir, we will be love you, to more participation from you in the WhatsApp right now, where we can actually connect together and we can come up with more ideas. We can be more friend in, like हम लोग WhatsApp group को ना business forum ना बनाए, उसको like a personal college के friend का group बनाए and try to connect more. जितना हम लोग बातें करेंगे वहां पर, मैं देखता हूँ बात नहीं होती, जितनी हम बातें करेंगे उतना हम लोग एक दूसरे से खुल पाएंगे. That is the whole idea of the WhatsApp group.
नहीं, ये जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है आपका, ये बिल्कुल यूनिक है. जैसे हमने और व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप देखे हैं, काफी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से मैं ज्वाइन हूँ, तो उसमें सब लोग सिर्फ प्रमोशन करते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट्स का, अपने सर्विसेज का. लेकिन इस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में हम नॉलेज शेयर कर रहे हैं. दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट.
That is the whole idea was, because हमें लगा कि लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे सबसे बड़ी जो कमी महसूस हुई, दो ही चीज की हुई. हमारा सबसे पहला हमें लगा हमारा कोई फ्रेंड नहीं है जो इन अपने डिजाइन फील्ड के अंदर हमारा फ्रेंड नहीं है जिससे हम राय ले सके कि भाई तू अपने काम को कैसे कर रहा है. तो दैट इज वेयर द होल आइडिया केम अप कि भाई टू नो ईच अदर फ्रॉम एवरीबडी हाउ दे आर डेवलपिंग इट. दैट इज द होल आइडिया. बिकॉज अगर आप याद करो लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे जितने वेबिनार हो रहे थे वो हमें कोई ना कोई माल चेपने के चक्कर में थे. तो हमें लगा कि माल चेपने का तो काम जिंदगी भर हुआ है, व्हाई नॉट डू समथिंग वेयर वी कैन नो मोर अबाउट ईच अदर. सो इन फैक्ट दैट इज द होल आइडिया वर्क एंड इट विल बी अ ग्रेट पार्ट इफ यू कैन बी हियर सर.
और एक और चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगा, इस जो नेक्स्ट अब ये वेबिनार रखें, नेक्स्ट जो मीटिंग हो, उसमें हम इस टॉपिक पर डिस्कशन करें कि जो हमारे इंटीरियर्स की सर्विसेज, इंटीरियर कंस्ट्रक्शन की सर्विसेज जो हम दे रहे हैं, तो डिफरेंट जोन्स में क्या है, वो क्या उसके रेट्स हैं, कितना हम बजट दे रहे हैं क्लाइंट्स को.
एक्चुअली हम लोग ना अभी थोड़ा सा इसको हम लोग टाइम ले रहे हैं, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है अभी हमारी दोस्ती इतनी मजबूत नहीं हुई कि हम लोग उसमें ना बिजनेस में प्राइस और उसकी बात कर पाए. होगा क्या कि हम लोग जैसे इस पॉइंट को उठाएंगे ना, वो बहुत लोगों का एक इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो जाएगा आपस में हमारे. मुझे लगता है कि कुछ चीजों को पर्दे में रखते हैं और थोड़ा इनडायरेक्टली थोड़ा धीरे धीरे बात करते हैं. एंड बाकी आपको अगर सर अच्छा लगता है तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, आपके यूपी जोन के अंदर आप अपने मॉडरेटर को बोलिए अबाउट द टॉपिक एंड वी कैन टेक दैट सर.
ओके,
राइट सर. सर देयर इज समबडी कॉल्ड जया बागोरिया. जय बागोरिया जी, कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई योरसेल्फ? जय बागोरिया जी.
Hi sir, good evening.
Good evening sir.
Yes sir, my name is Jay Baguren. We are interior and civil construction work.
Sir, which place sir?
Delhi. And
Delhi.
We have an office in Mumbai too.
Great sir. Sir, so did you like the concept?
Really nice sir.
Great sir. Would you, if anybody wants to be a presenter, they should connect with the team, and we are always hunting for presenters, because the more you present, the more knowledge we all gain with each other.
Sure sir, I'd love to be. If anyone I'm having in Delhi or NCR area, definitely I'll be with them.
Yeah, Delhi, there is, no, we do always do the presentation on the virtual Zoom sir, and there's a team member Rashid bhai and Parvez bhai will connect with you sir.
Sure sir.
And tomorrow is the Delhi, day after tomorrow is the Delhi's presentation only, so you can be there sir. We have somebody called Beauty Acharya ji.
Hello.
Yeah, hi ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Did you like the concept?
Yeah, I really like the concept. And actually, we are architectural based firms in Mumbai, and we do practice architecture and interior. This was really very nice, and actually made it look like it is something which is going to really get something different from each one of us, and to know each other, to learn something different, to express our ways and connect with people not only from one part, from every part is actually really nice. And to get that positivity is really what we felt good in this whole. The whole session was really very nice, and I really appreciated each one's effort.
Great, ma'am. And you won't believe one part is very important, which you said about the positivity. This started around in the mid of April, and when the June came, the NPCN doesn't know about it. हमें पता ही नहीं चला how time flies. हम लोग every day met and we know so much about it. कब किसका काम खुलने वाला है, कब क्या होने वाला है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, कैसे कर रहा है. Time just flies out and we became so close friends together. That's the power of being non-business forum, where we can connect better.
One more thing, sir. You said that there was a point when each one of us were in a mind strain of asking everyone, "What are you doing? Bhai, tu kya kar raha hai? Kaise kar raha hai? What are you doing in the field?" This actually went into each and everyone's personal level. We were sitting in Mumbai thinking of friends, what they're doing, how we are going to do, what would be our next approach, how are we going to actually stay in market, what is the status of our civil line going to be. So these are the questions which actually made us all restless. But what you said, that to get a positivity in every aspect really makes a real difference in the things.
Great. And we are looking for moderators for West Zone. So if you are, and in for every zone, in fact, if you people feel that you are good into moderators, and if you feel that you can be taking more serious stages in NPC, so you can be one of the moderators in the zone, sir, and ma'am, everybody.
Sure. Yeah, actually, I was planning to get my partner on the field. Even we both are into it. I would like more architects in the planning section to come into process, because I've seen all interior people coming in, talking on things, sessions. Actually, we can actually collaborate into many more.
No, there are architects also, like architect Rohit is there, architect Karan is there. So today's topic was from the interior point of view. The presenters were interior designers, so it was an interior designer's perspective. So sometimes architect perspective comes into it. It's all about mix up. Sometimes PMC speaks out, sometimes client speaks out. So that's how we try to make a mix of ideas.
Yeah, correct. No, it was really very nice, and I really appreciated each one's efforts and work. And Yogesh, it was good, really good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Anybody else who's joining for the first time? Nikita Singhi Nahata. Nikita, ma'am, can you hear us? Sheikh Mohammed ji, you want to say something?
Yeah. I just wanted to add one more thing, that we are basically an engineering firm. So I was thinking we could give a presentation on the engineering aspects of infrastructure and buildings.
Definitely, sir. So you're from Mumbai field, na?
Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Raipur. So you can connect with Smita. Smita is the team leader in your zone, and just tell her that what all topics you can, and you can share the topic. And that topic comes to the national forum, and there is a team doing. Sanchita ma'am and her team is there who takes care that we don't have any kind of promotional content there, and we try to, like, for example, I'll give an example. Somebody is there from the automation division, so they can teach us about automation without telling the brand. It will be great idea to learn from you, and that's how we can connect together and make friends. So we don't need to make a brand, but there is a lot to talk about it. That's the whole idea behind it, that we can talk about it without naming the brand.
I get that.
Right, sir? There is somebody called, anybody left who is not yet talked about it? Jai ji. Rosh Raja ji, are you able to speak? Rosh Raja. We have Sameer's iPhone. Yeah. Can you identify?
Hello everyone, sir.
Yeah,
Hello
sir.
everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a great idea which you have.
You're connecting from where, sir?
I am from New Delhi.
Okay, and what are you doing?
I am doing an electrical contractor.
Okay.
Yeah.
And be there tomorrow, day after tomorrow, on the next meeting is on Saturday.
Okay,
4 p.m. sharp 4 p.m. Be there, and that's the Delhi. And we hope to see a lot better, lot more. And today's presentation was prepared in 5 hours only, because the main person who was leading the team, that was Miss Her name, I just forgot the name. So she is not able to connect with us, and that's the reason it was taken care by Junaid Bhai. Rajesh, we have somebody called. Okay, guys, I think everybody has been introduced. Any doubt, you can take it right now. Last few seconds we can give you. It's already 5:23 today. It was a great presentation by the team. So we normally start sharp 4. So don't miss it out. If you join later on, you'll miss something. So we follow international standards. We start sharp 4. Nikita Singhi ji, can you identify yourself, ma'am? You're not connected with the audio, actually. Chalo. Best of luck, team, once again. And do take care of the poll and the research. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
You
you
day
so
after
much.
tomorrow.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Jayaji.
you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And be active in the WhatsApp and just tell us how did you like it. So others will be knowing about it. And if you want your friends to be connected, you can also send the link and they can connect to the NPC club, sir.
Sure, sir. Sir, can I say one thing?
Yes, sir.
How about the civil construction? Can we have a discussion on this also?
Yeah, sir. We see. You must have seen that there are 6 pillars of PM, like in our forum, which talks about construction, designers, architect, PMC, contractors, suppliers, and manufacturers. So all are there.
I agreed, sir, but I was just saying we can give a presentation on this.
Yeah, sir. Why not? That's what I'm saying.
For the future.
That's what I'm saying. Why not? What you need to do is you need to connect with your moderator, the club you are right now in the zone you are, and tell it to the team that this is what I want to talk about it. The team will be forwarding it to the main forum, and there it will be selected, and you'll be getting a chance. Once in a 15 days, your team is looking for a team who can speak out. Every 15 days, a zone needs to be present themselves.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Thank you.
Thank
you, sir. Jatin Thakkar ji. Jatin Thakkar ji.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Hello. Jatin ji.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hi, this is Khushbu Thakkar,
Okay.
and Jatin Thakkar is my husband. We are freelancers. We belong to Raipur. We're
Okay.
based at Raipur. It's JK Designers.
Okay.
We both are interiors, and it's really an honor to be a part of your presentation and this with meeting everyone.
Ma'am, in fact, we say that one thing, it is our opportunity to have you on board. You are right now connected to the East Zone because we don't have much in the center to happening. So be active in the East Zone, ma'am. And we are looking forward for
In
presenters
any way
coming up.
we can be a part, or we could do anything. We both are ready for that.
Great,
Even to be
ma'am.
volunteer or something, just let us know. We'll be part of that.
Ma'am, I'll just connect you after the meeting is over. We'll connect on the WhatsApp because we don't know exactly with the name. We just need to chat there more in the East so we'll know who you are.
Sure, sir. No
Right,
problem.
ma'am. And if you have any of your friends who want to join, you want them to be in a part of the club, you can also ask them. We join the same process. We take them in the All India where we do the scrutiny because we don't want all the kind of junk in our group. So we try to remove them and bring those people who are more into intellect and who are more into knowledge sharing kind of a platform.
Okay, sure, sir.
Right, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for
Thank you so
connecting.
much,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am. Welcome on board, ma'am.